That's so sick, hey? Oh, Daniel's doing it. He's so tall too. Oh, he bonked.
You good?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah.
Spoiled by bad line choices. All right, so Max just had his first experience with knee-deep tree powder in like probably double black trees. How did that feel?
Fucking dead. But also, let's go again.
By the way, just disclaimer, we're talking about DED, dead, not a loss of life.
Correct.
Any other thoughts from you two?
Alive, but not on top. Anyways, fun day.
Really fun.
Cheers.
Hello everyone, it's Jarod here. Just a couple of words before we get going. First I want to thank all the new subscribers. We've hit 50 on the channel, which is groovy and awesome, so thank you everybody for that. The second is just that I've got this camera set up now on the GoPro Hero 11's Hyper View, which, while it does give the best footage in terms of field of view, it makes everything look super flat and super fat, so just keep that in mind while watching the video. For instance, this section on screen is quite a bit steeper than it looks. I hope you can gauge by the wind noise sometimes, or by the slope of the trees. The other thing that I wanted to mention is just that this is actually a seriously sketchy amount of powder. You can see right there on screen how the tree wells are sort of popping up out of nowhere. But this was like 2.5 feet of really fluffy powder at a ski resort that's honestly not that steep. And I'm 6'1" riding a 156 centimeter board. If you get a snow day like this, do not go out of bounds alone or do anything stupid in the trees alone. Go with your friends, use the buddy system, and be smart. That's all. Peace out.
Holy shit, that bomb hole. Well, there you go, Kale. I sent it. That's the drop I sent last run. Right there. The bob hole where I landed is right below it. Like, we're just cutting off at the flat spot, right?
Yeah, we'll go to that yellow sign down there. So like, I'll show you where to cut off. It's turned.
Slow motion.
All right, let's go.
Woo! All right. Am I going? Because I'm going to be slow. Okay.
That's okay. Well, we're just going this way.
Oh, God. Rock and roll will take you to the mountain. Woof. Ha! Holy shit. That's some ASMR if I've ever seen it. Tell me that's not the best 10 seconds of powder. Good God. Well, I don't know what happened to the rest of them, but I think they stayed higher than me. I'm just gonna pump down a little bit lower because then I can find them on the cat track, if that's the case. All right, well, we're gonna 1 foot it for a bit because I don't know how long it's gonna take before I have to skate again, so. How about them apples? Woo! Well, that worked for the most part. That might actually be a sick follow line. Oh, what's it like below that?
On Monday it was like a go-go track.
Want to get me from below then? Oh,
You have to get like far enough to land on the backside.
okay.
A little bit less than where Daniel went.
Left of where he went, top straight, okay. Well, till death do us part.
Hi. You can just launch them.
All right, well, there's your guys' scope. Oh, it's not even sick over here. Freedom 35.
No, the Freedom bits. From North Face.
Okay.
Where's the freshies?
That's so sick, hey? Oh, Daniel's doing it. He's so tall, too. Oh, he bonked. Oh, no.
Too many, like maybe a couple inches shorter.
Front 3 up after this. Oh, no, it's not a jump. One day.
That rock is in there too, it's fine.
What?
I need wax.
I heard that.
Welcome to the backcountry.
God damn.
So this is apparently bent over. It's tough when it's super deep, but you can get like higher.
Yeah.
You go through there and then drop in. So try and cut more this way. It's just like no one really ever came over here.
You know how to get back, though, eh?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, don't turn to the left. Oh, we're dropping. We're dropping. Woo! Woo! Oh my God.
That's crazy.
We're going that way.
Okay. Oh, I had like a tree go up my ass there. It's completely submerged. Imagine being the guy that went out of his way to make a sign and bring a hammer and nails out to the middle of these woods.
I know. Leg break. Oh my god.
Holy. That looks fun.
Yeah, we went a little bit right.
No, look behind you.
Yeah, you can end up here.
Woo!
You good?
Yeah, are you?
Yeah. Oh, that was so good.
That was. Send the drop.
Like I'm sticking right now.
Yeah, I know.
Come on.
We put duct tape on our bases instead of wax. It's working real nice.
This is where I ended up last time when I got stuck. Right over there.
Yeah.
Like over there. Yeah, that's the death area.
Nice.
You don't want to go that way.
I have to like watch my weight right now so I don't fall into that tree. Oh boy, this feels like Dirty Deeds at Crystal Mountain. Oh, probably a terrible follow count, Jake, but